Hi, today I'll show step-by-step process how to test a SQL procedure. So before testing, we have to know what is that procedure. Step procedure are batch of statements that can execute in a couple of ways. It can be used. It can be run using a third-party tool or Unix system or using SQL Server. So before testing, we have to know the requirement. What is the requirement? So and what is the functionality of that procedure? So I have an example, very small example for a requirement. So this procedure I already developed, and this is the requirement. The requirement is this procedure will search scholar first, last name, and address on the based on the input parameter. Suppose the parameter is like state province id, so based on that it will search if parameter is found into the database, then they execute the information against that parameter, and this is called first, last name, and address, and then that information will insert into the scholar anti-scholar table. So before testing, we have to identify what is the source and what is the target table. So source table is could be in different database, target table is could be in another database. So once we understand that requirement, then we go to check that procedure is developed correctly and identified all table in their statement. So here, according to that our procedure, so is extracting the information from the source table, business entity address, state province, address type, and some other table also from the advanced server database. So that is all table already in here. As you see, advanced database, there is a schema, business entity address, state province, and address type, person, and then it is passing that parameter state province id, and even also you can see here the what is the parameter. So that is the thing. Now not only this, because here only I put an insert command, but when you test a big procedure, it could include like update, deletion, or any other statement or function can be included here. Okay, so now let me execute this procedure. So to run that procedure, before we have to verify that table is exist. What table we have to insert the data? So entry as scholar table. So let's say that table is available under int database, and select star from int scholar. Yes, table is there. Let's see, is there any record already or before it's ran? Yeah, it's already ran before. So now let me delete that record from int scholar. So here the state province is 79. Will pass different parameter. So all record got deleted. Now we'll say it's a blank, no record. Now I'm executing that procedure. That means I'm running that procedure. What is that procedure? Eligible. To run that procedure, the command is exec, and then we have to pass that parameter. As we already have that 79, so we're using 9. So after that we execute this, and then we'll see the record is in here already affected for in this table. If you say 447 4447, that means 4447 record. Let's see, is that record impact available here? As you see, 447 record in here, 4447 record in here. Now we have to verify in that source table or the record is matches. So I'm going here and just pasting that query instead of writing where, what is that parameter, equal to 9. Let's say record is matches with this information, that is 4, see, same record 4447. So that means our test is pass. So that way we have to test the procedure. Thanks for watching. I think this will help to the tester who are new into the database testing.